actually using it?
I am.
What made you want to use it?
I mean, outside of the snoring and waking you up, I get so much better sleep.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well, good. I'm glad.
Yeah, it helps me breathe a lot better and sleep a lot harder.
Oh, awesome. I guess I'll have to try it then.
Yeah, where'd you get them at?
I got them from the TikTok shop. They're actually on a huge sale, and I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out.
Yeah, because I'm going to need more of these sticker patches things. You can buy the refills on TikTok too?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I'll go check it out.